Welcome to my channel. Let's make simple coconut rice. Let's get started. First thing to do is to deskin your coconut. Some people prefer coconut flavor, but I tell you the truth. Real coconut will give you the best flavor than buying coconut flavor. Go for the real one and enjoy the milk, the oil, and every nutritional value you can't even expect. It is packed with nutrients. Yes, this is the best. So go ahead, deskin your coconut. This is the easiest way you can deskin your coconut. You can just look at that. Very easy to do. With your hammer you can do this. Welcome to Progressive Recipes. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love to watch. Feel free to check out my other videos. I have a lot for you. And feel free to be a part of this channel by only clicking on the subscribe button to join this lovely family. And to my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Please don't forget to like this video. So after cutting your coconut into pieces, go ahead and blend it with water. Go ahead and blend everything quite smooth. If your blender can take it so smooth, better. But if yours cannot, no problem, just add enough water and blend. After blending the coconut, I added hot water to it and I sieved out the juice. Yes, the milk, the oil, everything is well settled inside this water. So this is the coconut's real milk that we're going to use for this particular rice. In a clean pot, add some vegetable oil, sprinkle your fresh tomatoes, and you stir it up to steam. Add in some onion and pepper to it, garlic and ginger to it. Stir very well as you fry. Some seasoning cubes and little spices to it. Pour in your coconut milk. Yes, right inside. Look at that, it's looking beautiful. Sprinkle some salt to taste, curry, thyme, and you taste to be sure everything is okay. Feel free to add your own spices, little crayfish to it, and allow it to boil. Immediately it starts boiling, sprinkle your well parboiled clean rice to it, and you allow to cook. I'll be garnishing with some dry fish. Yes, we call this bonga fish, and with some smoked one. So garnish the top with some smoked fish and dry fish, and you're allowed to cook. Right now, reduce the heat of your gas oil, and you're allowed to dry off the water little at the time. This is looking so beautiful. Like I said before, if you're new to this channel, you're free to join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts of my new video. Right now our rice is well dried, looking so pretty and beautiful. This is so lovely. Wow, please give me some thumbs up, like this video, dishing out mine too. If you know I'm a foodie, I love cooking and I love food also. First I would like to have some taste before anyone would taste. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.